the latest episode of Spotting, and I am here today at Grantham on the East Coast Main Line. Departing out now is the delayed 1444 East Midlands Railway service from Skegness to Nottingham, which is formed over 170. It is 170.423. Today here at Grantham you'll be seeing services from LNER, East Midlands Railway, Grand Central and Hull Trains. Speaking of Hull Trains, about to arrive now is the 1449 Hull Train service from London King's Cross to, you guessed it, Hull. This one's formed of their Paragons, the only train from their fleet. It's all a bit sort of crazy here because I just got a delayed LNER service, delayed due to, well, there's a massive amount of overcrowding. This will go out in a minute. Massive amount of overcrowding. Unfortunately there was an incident on the Midlands Main Line where someone got hit by a train, which invariably passengers on the Midlands Main Line got told to use LNER to here and change for Nottingham, which makes perfect sense, of course, and they had ticket acceptance in place. I mean, what TOC would you be if you didn't do that? But yeah, so it's all been a bit crazy, so everything's sort of turning up at once at the moment, but we are expecting to see some good stuff. So without further ado, if you do check out any updates on trips and posts, please do check out my Facebook group and also check out my Instagram at KTVvids. This is the first of four spotting videos that I am doing this weekend. This is a Friday video, the other three are Sundays. So the other three are on Sunday. Not revealing where they are. You guys obviously use the community tab when I post it, guess the station that I'm at. And that's what you'll be doing going forwards. Keep the suspense. So let's see what's on offer here. Let's get started here at Grantham. Enjoy. Okay, the partner now is the slightly delayed 1449 Hull train service to Hull from London King's Cross. On this one we have 802304. Also passing, we've got an Adelante heading to London King's Cross. It's 180-105 from Sunderland to London King's Cross. And also arriving in to add to the action is the 1459 East Midlands Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street, which will join up with another 158 at Nottingham. It's 158785, which funnily enough I overtook as I came here. So yes, it's going to be absolutely rammed because there's still disruptive passengers on the platform, but we'll see this one go out in a minute. Right, the partner there is the 1459 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Norwich. Absolutely rammed again. So rammed they actually had to really work to get the catering trolley on board, which is good fun, but you know, needs must, of course. Yeah, so it's gone quiet here now, which is handy. It means we have a bit of breathing space, but it is also very, very windy here, so apologies if any wind noise gets in the way of my commentary. But yes, I'll do you shortly, see what's next. passing through now is an LNER service to Leeds from London King's Cross. And look what we've got! It's 91111. Also arriving in is the 1512 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich from Liverpool Lime Street, which is 158857. In, and we'll see it go out in a second. Okay, the partner now is going to be the 1512 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich from Liverpool Lime Street. If you just heard that, you notice how the announcement just said LNER service? I think you might know what's next. That one now calls it Peterborough, Ely, Thetford and Norwich. So there it goes. So one Cummins engine one and one Perkins engine one. So one of each, not bad. Okay, arriving now is the 1509 LNER service from Leeds to London King's Cross. I also forgot to mention that in this video you'll also be seeing Lumo. For some reason I completely forgot Lumo came through here. Do you know what, I'm on autopilot from all the times I've filmed on the East Coast Main Line, which most of the time was prior to Lumo even starting, so shows how long I've not done a video around here for, or at least at the station. It is another 225 set. Don't they look really nice in their intercity livery? The whole set, it's incredible. Okay, the partner now is the 1509 LNER service to London King's Cross, calling at Peterborough, Stevenage and London King's Cross. I think this is Peterborough. It might actually, no, I think this one might skip and go straight to Stevenage. But I think they're both. But it is actually, sorry, it's from York to London King's Cross, not Leeds. It is both Peterborough and Stevenage, and it's from York. It is 91106 on that one. So there goes that one. Okay, next train to arrive is the 1520 LNER service to Lincoln Central from London King's Cross. This one should be 800 204. It's only a 5 car on this one, as the Lincolns normally are. Also arriving in, which should be in sight, is the 1528 East Midlands Railway service to Skegness from Nottingham, and also is the 1518 from Harrogate to London King's Cross, 800 106. It's a nice little livery about the calm zone on there. And there is 17417. Okay, about to depart now is the 1518 LNER service from Harrogate to London King's Cross. And literally just waiting outside of Grantham now is another LNER service. I believe it's the Aberdeen service, which is running late. In fact, that one actually I think is about to approach. So that's 800 106. The Aberdeen service is still waiting, so but it is outside, so we'll see it come through in a second. Okay, about to come through now is an LNER service to Aberdeen from London King's Cross. This one is coming through relatively slowly, just due to the fact that the Lincoln service is only just in front and still has to call at Newark Northgate as well. So, although there's probably quite a few signal blocks in between here and Newark, so goes. Next stop for York is that one. Next stop is York for that one, I should say. Can't get my words out again. Business as usual. Okay, passing through there is 801 209. And that is from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. 229, I should say. 801 229. The partner there is 17417. That is the 1528 East Midlands Railway service to Skegness. Also, if we walk down hills to keep you under clip, about to pass through is a Grand Central service to Sunderland. It might again be coming through relatively slowly. But hello, here it is. So off that one goes through. That's heading to Sunderland. The next stop is York as well. And it's 180 103, so there it goes.
Please stand.
Okay, passing through now is going to be an LNER service to Edinburgh. Just get people to stand back. It's 801229 on that. No, it's not. It's 801220. Just saw 220. That one is. Okay, arriving now is the 1542 LNER service to Leeds from London King's Cross. And on this one we have 801203. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 1544 East Midlands Railway service from Skegness to Nottingham. Also departing is the 1542 LNER service to Leeds from London King's Cross. And this is 17510. Car on this one. I believe this is an ex West Midlands Railway slash. Trying to be slap bang in the middle of both of them there, because but 803003 just went past on a Lumo service to Edinburgh from London King's Cross. The next stop for that one is Newcastle. Yeah, yes, Newcastle. And then that one we'll call it Morpeth and then Edinburgh. And 17510 is just departed on the 1544 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham from Skegness. Then on goes. Right, next train to arrive is the 1601 East Midlands Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. This is one of the EMR liveried 158s. It's 158774. It's nice to see one of these. Still retains the same interior, mind, but you know, it's a nice livery. Actually does suit them really well, in my opinion. That's a good question. What do you guys prefer? The 170s in that livery, the Meridians in that livery, or the 158s? And I'm talking about stock that's, or rolling stock that's been with EMR / EMT before other trains came in, i.e. the 180s and 360s. So basically, what's your favourite continuing stock? I think that's the best way of putting it. Rolling stock that's now in the EMR livery. So actually the 170s won't count on that, so it's between the 158 and the Meridian. What do you prefer out of them two in the livery? Okay, the partner now is the 1601 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street. Nottingham's the next stop, followed by Chesterfield, Sheffield, Stockport, Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Warrington Central, Widnes, Hunts Cross, Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. Then that one goes.
2 does not stop here.
Right, arriving in is 16:05 service from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross. And also passing is a Grand Central service to Bradford Interchange. So there's 800-201, that's just arrived. And the train that's just passed through is to Bradford Interchange. Next stop is Doncaster for it. And that was 18114. So that one goes. Also, if you're wondering, this video will not contain 221142. Unfortunately, it's on a service that passes through after I leave. So, because I'm not actually staying here tonight, I am staying in somewhere else. Hint, hint. Wait and see. That's for the latest every platform video that I'm doing around this area. So, yeah, but we'll see it hopefully another time. But it's a 221 there. Alright, departing now is going to be the 16:05 service from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross. With 800-201 doing that one. The next stop is Peterborough, and then Stevenage, and then London King's Cross. There goes LNER, probably the most cringe livery I've ever seen in my life. Apologies to those who do think it's good. I think it's very cringe. But that is past to Stirling from London King's Cross. It's 801-225.
Yeah.
Right, passing through now is an LNER service to Leeds, formed of another 225 set. It's 91-105, and as that one goes through, I'm going to finish the video from Grantham here. So thank you for watching today's video from Grantham. If you have liked what you've seen, do like and subscribe, and do leave any comments because I will get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave those in the comments. Obviously got a few announcements for trains, or one there, but ignore them because I'm not filming them because I am finished. I need to go get something to eat and get ready for my train to take me to another location. I've been very secretive about it. Anyway, so today has been excellent here at Grantham. It's been very varied, which is nice to see. It's been nice to see some 225 sets. The 91s are just amazing. Great to see some Atalantes as well, one of my favourite trains in the country. As I've said on countless occasions, despite the fact that they are incredibly faulty, I really like them. And I've always liked them, so that won't change despite their flaws. Could say the same about Hitachi stuff, but we won't go there. I don't actually care too much for them, but they're not that bad. There's a lot worse trains out there in my opinion, but again, they've got their own flaws too. But people like them, so each their own. Anyway, enough rambling. This station's been excellent as always. Grantham is a top station on the East Coast Main Line. I'm sure many people know that already. It's brilliant. So see you next time for the next episode of Spotting, but for now, from me here at Grantham, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.